doing a video test because I see all the other ways of which I be uploading these, so I want to see about doing it this way. But this is my trip, me exploring for that day. Look how blue that water is. See, I took the time to explore, and I took the session instead of the Hero 4, but I think I'm gonna buy a new GoPro just for Mexico. Gotta do some overtime, get this out the way. But this is my drive. I don't know how I want to do this voiceover. I think I'm gonna just do it like this.
Not even gonna lie, I barely spent any money and I'm having so much fun just walking around and exploring. I really like Hawaii. I'm gonna come back. I know I need to try some of their foods, but it's real nice here. Everything's beautiful, just beautiful.
The best time to get out to explore Hawaii is early in the morning because you don't have to worry about traffic. But one thing that I thought was cool though is you get people with regular cars and they live in these tents and they're just along the beach. Like, look at that. That's what they do. Man, there was so much to do. I just pulled over everywhere.
Look at this shit. Water's so blue. Look how big them waves are. And they said these are little, but they'll snatch you out of here. Look like the Jurassic Park theme. Look, there's birds and shit. Waiting on a dinosaur to come over the hill right now. Yo, check out this FD though. That shit nice. Yeah, look how big these koi fish are. Just casual, bruh. They sleep.
Never lie, fuck the feds, fuck the FBI. You tryna touch my guy, I'ma have to black a nigga eye. No alibi, I don't give a fuck if he die. Lay his ass with some wings, make him fly through the sky. This is real shit, I be feeling shit. Told T I'm about to freestyle real quick. Need a big ass bitch with a fat to the real tits. Niggas feel shit. Hey, if I go broke, I swear that I'ma steal shit. And my niggas riding, yeah, we in Hawaii. I wish a nigga try me, I'ma shoot at everybody. Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off. Nigga can't copy. Backs off, oh no, niggas like sloppy. Where's Poppy? No one gon' stop me. No bitch gon' top me. Or matter of fact, I let her top me. As a boyfriend, fucking watch me. He know I got that Glock B. I can shoot a nigga, kill a nigga, I remove a nigga. I don't give a fuck what you say, cause I'm a goonie nigga. Told Shorty bend over, she really tryna move me, nigga. I'ma have to bend her ass, so go booming, nigga. Hey, it's 4:30 in the morning, man. Me and Tay. Tay a little drunk, Jay a little smack. 4:30 in the morning, we riding in the act. I can call my niggas in front, I had the niggas in the back. They say, Jay, what you want? I need that coke to sell this crack. You already know what it is, got a gat. Niggas popping off and you know I got the Mac. I told a nigga to chill, relax. Hope we pull up in that motherfucking lack. They said, Jay, what you doing in back? I said, my niggas really trying to trap. They got Max, niggas got gas, they popping off and we bring it back. They got a bat, then we got an axe. I don't give a fuck, niggas getting smacked. Niggas don't really know how my niggas do. Niggas don't eat your butt like a snack. Shorty said that niggas a snack. I told her suck the whole nut sack. Shorty some shit, she right up in the back. I told her we pulling up just like that. We in Hawaii and niggas will try me. I swear to God, hit his ass up. I don't give a fuck about you and your niggas. We'll pull up in a big ass truck, light his ass up. Nigga try to duck, hit him with an uppercut, bloody my nuts. Niggas acting stupid ass, stomp his ass out. I swear to God, I bloody my chucks. Then we gotta slow down. If you don't know, then you know now. I pull around, bro, my whole.
Still going. It's 4:30 in the morning.
Hey,
We riding.
we riding.
Give him one more.
Hey, if the tank got a problem, you already know that I'm sliding. My nigga off the plane in Hawaii, you know we riding. Them niggas said they want pop willies, them niggas hiding. I don't trust them motherfuckers stitch, they tested flying. Shorty a freak, she know I'm a beat. I swear to God, do this every week. Nigga JB, my niggas roll deep. I call them Tate and they bring it to eat.
Brought the waves to the wave. It's a Ford Ranger.